If you're experiencing issues with voice chat not working in Elden Ring, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Step 1. Check game settings. Navigate to the in-game settings menu and ensure that voice chat is enabled. Look for options related to voice chat and confirm that they are turned on. Step 2. Verify audio settings. Go to your system's audio settings and check that the correct input and output devices are selected. Make sure your microphone is set as the default recording device and your speakers or headset as the default playback device. Step 3. Update audio drivers. Ensure that your audio drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website for your sound card or motherboard and download the latest drivers to ensure compatibility with the game. Step 4. Check network connection. A stable internet connection is crucial for voice chat functionality. Test your connection speed and stability and consider resetting your router if you encounter issues. Step 5. Restart the game and system. Sometimes, simply restarting the game or your gaming system can resolve temporary glitches. Close Elden Ring completely and restart your device before launching the game again. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and fix the voice chat issues in Elden Ring. If problems persist, consider reaching out to support forums or the game's customer service for further assistance.